So I've gotten the question from a lot of people, Krista, why did you join eXp? Truth of the matter is, I didn't actually plan on joining eXp and actually telling a lot of people about it. I joined eXp because I'm doing a lot of coaching now and I didn't want to have the liability of being my own broker. And so I thought eXp would be a great resource as an independent broker so that I could have an actual broker take on more of the responsibility and take on more of the liability. That was originally why I ended up joining eXp. But as time went on, and I really started to kind of evaluate and look into the model, I was absolutely amazed. Actually, something happened in my business where I had kind of a life-changing event where two people that work with me that I really trusted and counted on kind of ended up going their own separate ways. And it made me realize that some things can get taken away so quickly, and it's probably important to have multiple streams of income. So what I did was I told myself, Krista, give yourself about a month and really dive into eXp, look into all of the pros and the cons. And I became obsessed with learning about the model. And all of a sudden one day it just clicked. I was researching eXp, I was learning about the revenue share and the ability to really build an organization with an organization, which is exactly what I want to do. My goal is to positively affect as many agents' lives as I can, to be a leader, to make an impact, to help people, to really give support and value and advice and help aid agents just have the most outstanding business. And eXp is the platform that allows me to do that. Are you wanting a kickstart on your business and you want to learn how to be the go-to professional in your industry? Well, guess what? I've got a challenge for you. It's 5 days of coaching. It's brand new. Just go to KristaMashore.com/client conversion. That's KristaMashore.com/client conversion. And you'll get a training with me for 5 straight days that's going to help kickstart you as the go-to professional in your industry. So sign up and I'll see you there. You see, with eXp, we're all owners, we're all in this together, right? So it helps the company and it helps the agent when they support agents that they bring in their organization. Because if the agents do well, then the agent who brought them in does well, and then the company does well, and it's this one big, huge, great positive effect for everyone. So here's why I joined eXp. Number one is because they have amazing technology, and right now more than ever, we need technology. Their lead generating software are the type of software that big time agents use to generate leads and to do a massive amount of business. You get that free with eXp. But more than anything else for me was the revenue share. It was the ability to be able to, build my own organization and not just to give all the money away to the big organizations and to the franchises. It was a way for me to be able to start helping other people and what they call incentivized leadership. They incentivize you for helping other people. So with eXp, when you help other people, they will incentivize you to do so. As the agent starts selling real estate, well, you get a small percentage of the commission, and it ranges anywhere from $800 to $4,000 that you can earn per agent per year. And the nice thing is that you can benefit from helping them year after year after year. And it's like this great support system. It's like one dream, one team helping one another, which is so different than what it usually is in real estate. In real estate, most of the times people are so, they don't want to share their secrets and they don't want to tell anybody what they're doing, and they don't really have a very abundant mindset. And they're just so worried about helping each other because they don't think there's enough for everyone. Well, I beg to differ. There is enough for all of us. And the ability to actually build an organization within an organization and to be able to positively affect people, to me, it was a no-brainer. And when I really looked at the model and I saw how quickly an agent could start building passive income while also learning how to sell real estate with amazing trainings, amazing platforms, amazing technology, amazing support, I was like, this is a no-brainer. And I know that most agents across the country, they don't have stock, they don't have retirement. Once they stop selling, they are in big trouble. That scares me as an agent. I've been fortunate enough to be able to, save for my retirement. I've got multiple investment properties and I could quit right now if I wanted to and I would be just fine. But so many agents are not like that, and it really worries me. So I feel it's my ethical, moral obligation to educate agents and to really show them that eXp is it's like Amazon was back in the day. Amazon wiped out over 8,000 retail stores last year, and this is no different. eXp is growing in leaps and bounds. It is a cloud-based platform, but there's still so much support, and we are building an organization with eXp where our agents feel supported and loved. It's a family type of environment. We have trainings every single day. We meet online, we meet in person. We're teaching people how to build organizations that are locally so they have the local support. It is a no-brainer. That is why I joined eXp. I love the rev share. I love the stock option. I mean, I've made more money in stock in the past year than most people make in a whole year as their primary earnings. It's just amazing what it can do. I've been able to work with agents across the country and really help brand new agents excel in their business, and agents that were already doing well massively implode their business, all from eXp. So that is the reason why I joined eXp. And if you'd like to know more about it, understand this, that with eXp, you want to make sure that you join an organization not just because it's your friend or you like somebody. You want to make sure that who you are joining, they are able to support you and aid in your professional and personal development. That they've been able to achieve things that you have not been able to do, and they have systems and the support to make sure that you succeed. That is so important. So whoever you decide to go under, make sure they're able to do that for you. They've got trainings, they've got accountability, they have coaching and support to be able to help get you to that next level. It's one of the most important things about any company that you're going to join. In fact, if you go to partnerwithkrista.com, that's partnerwithkrista.com, you can actually sign up to attend a live question and answer session with myself that will be live. It's every Thursday from 9:30 to 11 Pacific. I'd love to have you there. We can show you all the resources and the tools and the strategies that we're offering our agents within our organization, and we can show you how we can help you build your own organization. Listen, we don't want you to learn to be a recruiter. We know that that's your bread and butter is real estate. We're going to teach you how to be an amazing realtor, how to utilize digital marketing and social media to stand out as the go-to expert in your community. But we're also going to show you how to utilize eXp to start building passive income and to have more flexibility and freedom and time. Here's the thing. Everyone gets into real estate to have more flexibility and freedom and time, and no one has it, right? I ask people all the time, when do you want to retire? And they give me an age, but they have no idea how they're actually going to be able to get there. I can help you with that. All right, my superpower is coaching and training and supporting agents. I've been in the real estate industry for just about 20 years. I've sold just over 2,200 homes, and digital marketing and social media is my thing. And we are now teaching agents across the country how to utilize these tools and these strategies to really start attracting business and to stop chasing it. So if you're interested to hear more about eXp and how I can help you, not only within my organization, but truly be able to build your own so you can have freedom and some flexibility, then just go to partnerwithkrista.com. That's partnerwithkrista.com, and let's get on a phone call together, or reach out to me and message me, ask me questions. I can get on a call with you, or have someone on my team get on a call with you, and we can help you out. So I hope that answers the question as far as why I joined eXp. There's so many more amazing benefits of it. The main reasons for me, again, was for the ability to help other agents across the country, to build my own organization within their organization, and because of the awesome technology and the support. And don't forget the stock. So go to partnerwithkrista.com, and hopefully I'll be able to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free, and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.